Apple Q1 2025. Earnings. 5 biggest analyst questions answered. If you own Apple stock or are even thinking about investing in it, stop scrolling. Apple just dropped its Q1 earnings, and it's not what you expect. The company made billions, but it's facing some major challenges. Analysts grilled CEO Tim Cook on AI, iPhone sales, and Apple's China struggles. And he dropped some huge hints about what's next for Apple. Watch this till the end because you won't believe what he said about future iPhones. First, the big numbers. Apple crushed it this quarter with record-breaking earnings, but not everything was perfect. Duh. Apple's Q1 2025 highlights. Revenue in this quarter was $124.3 billion, up 4% year over year, new all-time high. Earnings per share was $2.40, which was up 10% year over year. Services revenue, $26.3 billion, growing fast. iPhone sales, $69.1 billion, but not everywhere. Apple Intelligence, expanding to more countries in April. So, what's the problem? Well, Apple's China revenue dropped 11%, raising big concerns. And AI-powered iPhones? There's a shocking twist. Analysts had some hard questions for Tim Cook, so let's jump into the biggest ones. Analyst question. Tim, is Apple Intelligence really driving iPhone sales, or is this just hype? Tim Cook confirmed that iPhones sold better in markets where Apple Intelligence is available. Customers love AI-powered tools like Writing Assist, Genmoji, and Image Playground. But here's the wild part. Apple Intelligence has only launched in a few places. Imagine what happens when it goes global and covering various languages. Very bullish sign for Apple shareholders. Analyst asked, Apple's China revenue dropped 11%. Is Apple losing ground to Chinese brands like Huawei? Tim Cook admitted that competition in China is intense. But here's something most people missed. Over half of Apple's revenue drop was due to inventory shifts, not just lower demand. Plus, Apple Intelligence isn't even available in China yet. Could AI help Apple bounce back? That's the big question. Analyst asked, Tim, are we reaching the peak of iPhone innovation, or is something big coming? Tim's answer? He smiled and said, there's a lot more to come. That's it. No details, no leaks, just a major tease. Could we be looking at foldable iPhones, fully AI-powered devices, or something entirely new? We'll have to wait. But Tim Cook made it clear, Apple is far from done innovating. Analyst asked, Apple is seeing huge growth in India. Could it replace China as Apple's #1 market? Tim was excited about India. The iPhone was the best-selling phone in the country last quarter, and Apple is opening 4 new stores. With India being the second-largest smartphone market in the world, Apple sees massive growth potential here. Analyst asked, Tim, will Apple Intelligence go mainstream? And could Siri become Apple's biggest AI breakthrough? Tim believes AI will be huge for Apple. And here's the big reveal. Siri is getting a major upgrade in April. Could this be Apple's answer to ChatGPT? We'll find out soon. So, what's next for Apple? The company is betting big on AI, but it still faces huge challenges in China. Will Apple Intelligence drive record iPhone sales? Will India become Apple's biggest market? And what is Tim Cook teasing for the future of iPhones? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.